So, let's get right into it. We're going to start off with the Mocha Brown 260, and go ahead and grab your 260 hand pump. Placing the balloon on the nozzle, I'm going to inflate it, and I will show you exactly how much tail I leave. We got some tail there. We have exactly about 4-inch tail. And I'm gonna let a little air out right about there. I'm gonna squeeze it and stretch. Okay, there we go. Really soft. All right, so we're gonna start off here. I'm going to make a small bubble, or a small loop rather, about 3 fingers wide. Place the knot through on my thumb and lock it through. Okay. Next, another loop, about 3 fingers wide. Have that there, and give that a squeeze. Make another loop, 3 fingers wide. Alright, so now we have 6 petal flower basically with a tail. Okay. Squeeze, stretch. I think I can get one more on there. Okay, so there is our 7-petal flower. I'm going to set that aside for now. All right, next what we're going to get is our orange 160. I'm going to take the 160 pump, place it on here, and I'm going to inflate it all the way. I'm letting some air out over here. Now we have that. Little tie. Squeeze. Now, we have this. And the balloon is pretty soft, pretty soft there, okay? They take these, tie them together. And we have our loop. All right, we'll set that aside. And we're gonna do the same thing with the red 160, okay? So we'll set that there. Take our 160 hand pump. And put it on the pump and let's inflate. Letting air out while squeezing the tip gradually. There we go. That actually will soften the balloon. I let a little bit more air out and tie. And give it a squeeze and stretch. I'm gonna tie the ends together. Again, the 160s are very, very soft. That is very important. Very squishy, very squishy. Very squishy, okay? We're gonna tie the ends together. Okay. Now what we're gonna do now is you're gonna grab the middle here, and we're going to sort of make a clover shape here. Okay, right about there. Doesn't have to be exact. Sort of a weird looking number 8, okay? We're gonna come over here and sort of make a propeller shape. And these are gonna be for the flames of the fire, okay? What I'm gonna do is take this and give it a little squeeze. Okay. We're gonna do that one, and this. So we have that. Okay. We're going to do the same to this one again. Very soft. Just sort of bring it here. I'll look at it visually. Maybe a little less. You got that weird looking number 8. Bring that down. Okay. And you can even lock it through if you want to. Okay. So now you have these. You can do the same sort of bend. There. What we're going to do is take this, put it together, okay? Basically, the way we can do that, taking both, and we want the colors to be alternating. Okay. Take our hand pump, take this one here. About there. Just leaving, let's see. I just left about an inch tail on that, but what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna squeeze this balloon down, letting air out. Get my hand pump again. Give a couple more pumps. So we have this. And what I'm going to do, sort of just squeeze that down. And I want to make sure that that tip is tight. There we go. Now we can tie it. Give it a squeeze right there, okay? So we have this. I'm gonna just sort of set that there for now, okay? And let's set these aside for right now. All right, so what you're gonna wanna do next is take this right here. We're gonna take this right here and attach it here, okay? So take this, attach it in the middle right here. And I'll take this, I'll put this right here. Holding my thumb here, holding this here, wrap it through. Wrap it around. Let it go right in there. Looks a little messy right now, but it's all gonna come together. Okay. Pretty tight. Okay. Next, what I'm gonna do, sort of fold these over flat, okay? And watch what I do. I'm gonna take this and put it over here. Just like so. Take this one, put it in here. This one push, this one pull. Orange pull, the red pull. And that turn. Yellow through here, red through here. This one, pushing through. And then the last one, turn this way. Take the orange one, you're basically alternating the colors, overlapping over the next one. And then basically the red one comes up, orange one goes down. And now this one, the red one's gonna go in here, the orange underneath and through. You can sort of tighten it up a little bit there. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to move this up, grab it with my thumb, okay. And I'm going to take this one, grab that there, and I'm just going to twist them. Same thing. Grab, thumb, move down, boom, and twist. Okay. Next, grab, thumb, other one, grab like that, and twist. Okay, now grab, thumb on the orange, pointer finger on the red, and twist. Okay. Grab, thumb, pointer finger, and twist. Grab, thumb, pointer finger, and twist. So now I have them all twisted. Just to show you again, with these 3 fingers, you grab with your thumb, you hold one, with the pointer finger you hold the next one, and then with this hand you twist. Okay? Making sure everything is in order. Okay. Next, what you're going to want to do is take this and bend it. And squeeze from the bottom and bend right there. Next, what you're going to do is take your 160 hand pump and your chocolate brown 160. We're going to inflate it all the way. Down. From the end, so about 12 inches. 12 inches. Yep, there we go. And holding this one and letting this one go. Notice that is the clean end without the knot. Go ahead and tie. Okay, got the tail on there. We're going to leave that there for now. We're going to take our 350 and our 260 hand pump, in this case a 350 hand pump, 1, 2 pumps. Alright, and it's really about 10-inch bubble. 10-inch bubble here. Okay. Let a little air out. Tie. What I'm going to do, I'm going to sort of push this in right about there. Grab it from the outside. Give it a nice squeeze, nice and soft. Twist. And holding this bubble, or holding that knot, take our scissors and cut it down. What I have here is this. Pull out, and I'm going to tie it right in there. Knot is, or I tied the knot under the section of balloon that we twisted down there. Now we're going to take this take this, tie it together. I'll double knot it just to be safe. Push it in there. Give you a clean look. And I'm going to twist this in half. And that's not going anywhere. And give it a little bend. You could get some LED lights, stretch it out, and actually put it inside the balloon. That's optional. It's got a little switch here. And another option for LED lights is the pull tab. And it goes in there. Put that in there as well. Alright, I'll just sort of visually, you can even put it on a headband